Happy Thursday, guys. I hope you're having a great day. Today, we are kind of going to be putting the, finishing touches onto your essays. We are going to spend some time just to revise and to edit. So hopefully watching the video that you just watched about revising and editing will, help you when you go to do that process. And then the video after this video that you're going to watch is really, I'm going to model that process for you with my sample essay. So please take the time to watch these videos. I am going to give you, the remainder of today and then again tomorrow to finish the revising and editing process and completely publish your final piece. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You'll have today and tomorrow, Friday, in order to complete all of the last few steps that need to be taken. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the final steps. All right, so this is the grading rubric. This is the PSSA grading rubric. So you can see here that there are 5 different ways that this essay is going to be graded. Clear focus on a single topic. And hopefully there's no way that won't be, a really either a 3 or a 4 because of the pre-writing and the drafting that we did together as a class. You should at least have sufficient focus on the single topic of your New Year's goals, okay? Content, ideas developed through adequate details. So this is where when I told you in your organizer that you needed to have at least 2 reasons why you chose that goal, and you were going to tell also how you're going to attain that goal. Okay, so we're looking for many well-developed details to get a full score here, okay? Organization, okay? And this includes the use of transition words, your introduction, and conclusion. And pre-writing is obvious and it's organized. And those transitions are in that essay throughout the essay, okay? So I told you we were going to focus on that, and that's one of the things we're going to focus on, transitional words and phrases. Style, choice and use of words, sentence structure to create mood, tone, and voice. So do you have all short, choppy sentences, or did you go back in your revision process and did you, connect some of those sentences with conjunctions and help to create a better mood to your writing, okay? And then finally, conventions, use of good grammar, mechanics, spelling, usage, and complete sentences. So the writing includes correct punctuation, capitalization, grammar, and spelling with few errors. So look, to get a 4, I don't expect you to be absolutely perfect, but it should be pretty close. So the more you revise and edit, and give yourself opportunity to make those corrections, the better you will probably score in the conventions category, okay? And this is including our commas. This is where our commas come in, okay? So if you have used those conjunctions and you need to use commas, or the transitional words and phrases, you need to have commas. All right, so that will be here, okay? So this is the final essay, what it is going to be scored on, and this is exactly how you're going to be scored, okay? So then tomorrow when you go ahead and you're ready to submit your essay and you look at your grading rubric and score yourself, that's what you're going to be looking at, okay? This shouldn't be a surprise to anyone, okay? So now, revising and editing. All right, you are going to have this checklist that's attached here to this video, and it is a checklist for revising and editing. And so, yes, this says revision checklist, but it should be revision and editing, and I'm going to change that. But you're going to go down through your essay. You are going to watch the video that I have attached for you that I model how to go through paragraph by paragraph. First, you're going to revise the entire essay, and you're going to use this checklist to do that, okay? And then you're going to edit the entire essay, and you're going to use the checklist in the bottom box to do that. And yes, once you're done checking those off on your Word document, you're going to submit that to me as completion of going ahead and completing that process, okay? Now, also, this is optional, and like I said, you have today and tomorrow, which is Friday, to complete this process. Once you're done with your independent revise and edit, you might want to have a friend or a family member revise or edit your essay. If it's a family member, this is easy because they're in your own house, and you can take your iPad or whatever you're working on and have them go ahead and give you some suggestions. If you want to share this with a friend, that's actually pretty easy too. All you have to do is email them or share it with them, okay? So if you are in your document, let me just show you how to do that really quick. I think I might have a Word document up here. I do. You see this little share button, okay, on your document. You hit the share button, and I have to save a copy to my file, which I will do because it has to be a OneDrive document. So you guys won't have to do this, okay, but I do because it wasn't already a OneDrive document. So I'm going to save that there, and I'm going to do that. And now when I open that now it's going to allow me to put an email address in here. So if you put your friend's last name, first initial, it should automatically come up, and you can email it to a friend or classmate, okay? So that is how you send it or share it with someone that is in your class, or this doesn't have to even be somebody that's in your class, okay? So it can be, an older friend or brother or sister, and you just want to share it by email, okay? So again, you have Thursday today and Friday tomorrow to complete the revision and editing process, to submit your checklist to me, okay? And then at the end of class tomorrow, by the time you're done with this process, you're going to go ahead, and I will have the final draft directions in tomorrow's folder for you on how to self-assess yourself and then submit the final essay. So today, focusing on revising and editing, okay? Please, please, please do not forget, okay? You're submitting the checklist that you completed for your revising and editing in Schoology. Don't forget to do that, okay? All right, well, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Have a great day. Bye.